loud shot, I walk through the shadow with death for the ass on his chest. Trying to save his mama some stress. I just want the best for my niggas, I can't settle for less. And mama, I just need a Billy for they let me.
What's the deal, YouTube? Back at it again. Recording these videos. Doing this YouTube shit. Oh my God. Anyway, today what I'm about to be doing is see the whip, taking these headlights out, taking these snorkels out, taking these fog lights out, and you can't see it, taking these fog lights out, and I'm about to switch in my Flow Series fucking headlight strips, you feel me? I got a full headlight housing for the headlights, but all the other shit, I got like strips, you feel me? They're kind of like, it's kind of like glue on type shit almost. I'll show you right quick. See, feel me? Oh, tried to kill me. Got the headlight. These go around the fog lights. And these your snorkel lights, you feel me? See how it's just like, it's just literally the strip of light. Can you take this off? Pretty sure it's adhesive. I got some, to get an extra strong bind. Once the auto's on, I want to grab some super glue. You feel me? So I'm gonna put that on there. I'm gonna just put the super glue on there just for kicks and giggles to make sure it don't fly off what I'm doing. You feel me? 160 down the lodge. I'm playing. I don't do that. I do the speed limit. I do the speed limit, whatever speed limit is on the lodge. I don't even know. Stop tripping. This nigga. Look, tangled up, tripping. Anyways, so first what I'm about to do is I'm about to take this front bumper off. If you don't know, I'm about to tell you how to take a front bumper off a Dodge Charger. Alright, bet. So first thing first, what you gotta do, this. No way around it. Alright, first things first. You got push pins. You got this one. You got this one. You got this one. You got that one. You got that one right there too. You got a couple scattered, behind the wheel. You gotta take all those out and take this wheel liner. You gotta take that out. You gotta do that on both sides. Both sides. You feel me? You got boom, pow. You got all of them bitches. Then you got the ones kind of behind the wheel a little bit. Then what you gotta do is, I think it's 3 screws. It's like one right here, one right here, one right here. You gotta pop the hood to get to. Got another one right here. You got one. So basically 6 screws in total. You feel me? So that's what I'm about to do right now. After that, I'll be back. I ain't even show y'all. Look, you gotta get some more wheel letters somehow, some way. And scrub the curb real bad. Hurt my heart. Hurt my heart, low key. It's cool though. Got some new ones on the way, you feel me? Well, not on the way yet, but eventually we'll get them. Key. Going stupid though. Going stupid. Whoop whoop. These hoes. Push pins out of all of these hoes. You feel me? All of these hoes. This on the inside of the engine. Okay, you got that one screw right there. There's some more screws you can't really see. You got another screw right there. Anyways, you got them screws. Fuck this shit open like that. Then you got them other screws I told you about on the inside. You can only get through the wheel. Feel me? That's why you took the wheel liners off. Next is I'm about to disconnect these wires. Like, you got a wire right here going to this little light right here. And then you got your fog light wire. You gotta disconnect that. And you gotta do that on both sides. It look the same. You'll be alright doing that. And, yeah, that's what you gotta do. So I'm about to do that. After I do that, I get back with y'all. Man, it's hot as shit out here. Anyways, got the bumper off. Bumper off. Going stupid. Alright, but after you do that, only thing left to do is take these headlights out. Nah, old janky ass headlights I got. Niggas I bought the last car I had from. Niggas like piece these together, so they just in here any type of way. That's why I bought all new ones. Okay, when you trying to do your color change and shit, you do your rail boards and your halos and shit, you can really just buy the strip, like my nigga Ralph did. You really just buy that, take it to somebody, have them put it in your headlight. But I had to buy all new headlight, cause my shit fucked up. And niggas did me body and then did me dirty. Okay, I couldn't know. Yeah, guess I ain't do a clear inspection. Feel me? Next time I buy a car, I gotta take the bumpers off. Gotta look under that bitch. Everything. We get all the screws. Make sure all the screws there. I just peeped. Okay, missing screws. Okay, it's supposed to be 3 screws on each side. Watch the YouTube video. Okay, I know. It'll be 3 screws. There's only 2 screws on each side. And also, this shit ain't a big problem, but there's one screw right here. That bitch broke. I don't know how to get it out. Okay, if anybody got any idea on how to get that screw out, I appreciate it if you let the kid know. It's pretty stumped on it. But anyways, let me flip the camera around so I can show you what I'm working with. Boom. Usually, it'll be like tabs connected to these screws, but niggas fucked me over, so I got these little metal shits. So basically, you just take these screws out. Pretty sure it's 3 screws. 1 screw right there. 1 screw right there, and 1 screw right there on each side. So once you take them bitches out, it should be straight for the most part. Okay. Trying to think. Y'all better look at the screw so y'all can see what I'm talking about. The screw right here. I don't know how to get this bitch out. But look, basically, got these wires to come out. They come out there. Then got this. Gotta put this. My shit probably ain't in the best place, but fuck it. Put this shit. Then it's really just plug and play. You just connect it. Key. Wires come out of here. They just connect to this. They connect to this. And then you put your red wire on your red, and then you put your black wire on the black. I mean, it's on the ground, I guess. That's about it. Okay. And this is 4 screws. It ain't 5 screws. It's 4 screws. Got one right there, one right there, got one right there, you got one right there. It's my snorkel light, feel me? Put the adhesive on there, and I kind of put some Bondo, some super glue right there, feel me? Get that. Got this one, feel me? Bonded it, because the adhesive don't really hit the plastic, so I had to put something in there to get the stick type shit. Anyways, after that, you just pop it back into place, back in these clips right here. Clips. Feel me? Anyway, the snorkel light. Go like this. You got this hole right here. You feel me? And the snorkel light come out, and you got other piece go. Key hide. Oh, here it go. You got this piece. Basically, when it's on the car, you feel me? This clip into that. You feel me? Hold it to the bumper. You gotta take these clips out first. I take these clips out first, basically, and that come out. Now you just got this. You gotta pull this from the clips on the bumper. This clip into the bumper. So you pulling this off the clips on the bumper. And then once you get this off, you gotta take this black piece and detach it from this. To do that, you see these clips right there, just clipped in. Just clipped in. So the easiest way that I'll do it, I'll give me a screwdriver. Give me a screwdriver. Go ahead. Alright, got it out. I popped it out like that. Like so, like so. Then what you want to do is you want to get a light. You want to feed this black part through this hole right here. At least that's how I did mine. Just push it through there. Once you do that, you gonna have to core through. You're gonna have this like that. Then what you do is you put everything together. How you took it apart, just put it together. That's all you gotta do, man.
Hey, what's the deal, y'all? So, it's been a good little minute, but it's all good though because that's what I've been waiting for. These headlights right here from RGB Halo kits, they finally came in the mail after a long time. But yeah, bro. So, basically, what's about to go on right now is I'm about to take my car up to the shop, Speedlight Customs on Instagram. I gotta take my car up there, and they gonna put the license stuff in for me or whatever. But first and foremost, I gotta get the car washed. You can't just drop the car off and it's all dirty and stuff. So I gotta go get my car washed with some gas in it or whatever. Me Scoob up there, cause I gotta drop it off. They said they gonna have it for like 2 or 3 days, something like that. But yeah, finally got the lights in the mail, so we about to be back to back, camo, back to back, color changing lights. Yeah, it's been a long time coming though.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what we gonna do. You gotta get something else, though. Something really like one of a kind type shit.
I feel that. That's what I was thinking. You need like some super crazy shit.
Yeah, some shit you
Never ever see.
Never see a nigga like this car right here. You never gonna see another car with this design on the road.
For real.
Ever.
I'm finally about to get these lights, man. It's been shit way too overdue.
I was wondering how you was taking so long.
You had to change the date because I need somebody to take me up there. I'm going to go to Tennessee.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Show me the drip, bro. Nigga even still got the tie on that bitch still. That's how fresh he is.
Hey man.
No, you got birds on this shit. Yeah, it's so white, man. Great big 700 down on my shit. Yeah. Alright, we back. It's the next day. Bro, worked really fast, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie, and this don't look good. This don't look real good. I should have been did this, to be honest. Super lit with it, man. This might be the one right here, blue and white. I don't know if y'all can really see it. It look purple.
Hey.
It's really blue.
What did I tell you?
Yeah, this might be the one. Right here in the background. He's on, of course. He's always on. This might be the one. Can't wait to get back to campus. It's gonna be bad. Okay. So we got whips too. And the Volkswagen.
Hey, push it so she can reach that car. No.
The super lit with it, man. Super lit with it, man. Hold on, here we go. Blue and red, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I don't know. I don't know. So, I don't know. People might not be messing with us. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, bro. Well needed mine right here. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, was thinking about getting the glow up scat pack emblem.
I saw that shit too.
Okay,
Shit be sweet.
thinking about doing that.
I'm gonna get my smoking lights. Give me a splitter. You gonna do my that. Oh, my wicked bill.
Okay. Let's get the wicker bill. It'd be bad. Oh my god, it's gonna be so bad.
Mama, I just need $1 million. Just need $1 million. Yeah, mama, I just need $1 million. Mama, I'm feeling the safe. Not a regular civilian. Mama said I'ma be great. V8 switching lanes. They gon' know my name. I was down in girl.